Start them out young. We're shopping. Keep pushing, Claire.
Come on, girl.
Go, girl. We're about to hit something. It's not going to be fun. Oh, I'm tired.
Woo.
You should do this more often. Tuckers her out. Okay, I'm out of here.
She's stuck in the toddler aisle.
Okay. I want this and this and this. I like this guy. It's pretty cool. Actually, that guy is pretty cool. What's that, Claire? I smack him in the face, he comes right back for more. Oh boy. Press the button. You're pressing the incorrect buttons. Here. Maybe Wubsy just hasn't caught on yet.